Standard 3 learning environment. The teacher works with others to create environments that support individual and collaborative learning, and then encourages positive and social interactions, active engagement in learning, and self motivation. I chose the elementary physical classroom for my assignment. The video demonstrates the Intact Standard 3, developing a lesson which incorporates a whole group and small group activities. The children were encouraged to participate in class discussions along with a partner activity. Teamwork was encouraged, which fostered the need for social interactions. The teacher in this video begins by asking how the students are doing. One child expresses they are angry. He asks why. The student again expresses they are very angry. In an effort to help redirect the child's feelings of anger, he says, "Are you going to beat me up?" That's not the response I would have used. Instead, he could have said, "We all feel angry at times. Why don't we take some deep breaths and relax?" Another child said hangry, followed by "that means hungry." The teacher informed them that hangry means angry and hungry at the same time. He seemed to focus on phonics and reading comprehension frequently within his lessons. He used techniques to identify beginning, middle, and ending sounds and words. He did an excellent job with his whole group lesson, followed by small group. With two children who seemed to be struggling, he used materials that was easier for them to read and understand. He used lower level emergent readers. Active engagement was utilized by implementing project-based learning and technology to keep students engaged and motivated to learn. He seemed to alternate between direct instruction, allowing class discussions and fun interactive activities. He used open-ended questions within his lesson. He implemented technology into his lesson as well. The children were engaged, actively participating in discussions and activities. I would encourage students to follow classroom rules and procedures. I would be consistent and fair. I would state the rules and procedures frequently. Redirection would be used if necessary. I've always utilized the feelings chart in my classroom. There would be emotion cards. Happy, sad, sleepy, excited, angry would be listed on my chart. The children would take their picture or their name and place it next to the emotion they're feeling. They would have the opportunity to move their name throughout the day. I try to monitor the chart throughout the day. Depending on the changes, we sometimes talk about our emotions in small group, whole group, or individually, whatever seems to fit the situation best. I feel the teacher in this video did an excellent job. He kept the students engaged. He would do sit-down activities. Then he would move on to activities which allowed the children to get up and move around. He implemented technology into his lessons. They did an activity on the smart board where the children were able to select the answers. There was a lot of social interaction within the classroom. I just feel he did a really good job with keeping the children engaged, moving around, focused on the lesson. Overall, he did excellent. Thank you.